Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Did you not see me at all? I'll be all right. Okay, I'll be all right.
Whole other spot right here, bro.
What?
There's a whole other spot right here.
I know, but you guys almost hit me.
There's a whole other spot right here, nigga. I'm not trying to hear none of that. Straight up, boy.
Don't do that. Nah, don't do that, bro. Cause I'm ready to
This
shoot.
ain't it.
Don't do
This
that.
ain't
It's a
that,
parking
bro.
spot. We all chilling, bro.
I'm not worried about the spot,
Alright, so
brother.
let it be, cause that's my sister and this my brother. I'm not with
Okay.
that.
This
You
ain't
know
that,
what I
so
mean?
I'm not playing with you.
I'm not arguing.
It's good. It's good. We cool, man. We good.
I'm not arguing, dude.
We good. We good, bro.
Have your spot. That's okay. I was just worried that they almost hit me. That's all. I'm not worried about the spot. There's plenty of spots.
Oh yeah, I know.
That's all, man.
Because he was getting all hostile with my brother, so I'm like, we
I
all
get
just
it.
relax. Cause
I get it.
To a problem
There's
earlier, so
plenty
I'm
of
trying to
spots,
keep
bro.
it.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's just I didn't want us to hit each other.
Oh, I understand that. Yeah, I understand that completely.
All right, bro.
And I'm sorry for that, for what happened.
That's cool, bro.
You have a good one, man.
Y'all too. See ya.
Defamatory and slanderous.
If there's anybody in the world who knows how to use a microphone, his name is Donald Trump. Donald Trump got up and saw that program on CBS the other day. It was crap. It was wrong. And let me tell you why it was wrong.
But
What are you doing? Wait your turn.
It's almost 3 o'clock.
Go. Wow. Are you shitting me?
The atomic bomb of ancient history.
Great.
About, man's origins and
Are you kidding me?
Were you in the wrong lane?
No.
under the Egyptian.
Are you okay, Bubba?
I'm fine. It's starting to point to
What
much
the
more people
fuck?
are accepting the fact that there was probably some
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.